Good morning, guys. It's Zach, or Boy with a Camera here. I haven't made a video, especially a video where I'm actually out doing something, in so long. Kind of feels good to be back. But right now we are in Idyllwild. I just finished the drive here. I'm currently waiting to check into my campsite. The check-in time is 1 o'clock and it's 10:46, so I got a little bit of waiting to do. So I thought I'd show you one of the spots that I'll be going to later. This spot right here is a little spot. You can see there's a road over there. That's where I parked my car. This is a little spot on the side of the road that I've stopped for astrophotography, regular photography. It's just a little trail that you can see. It goes down that way. It's on, for those who are also planning on going here and also might be doing, let me turn my camera around again. For those who are planning on going here and doing astrophotography, it's called Saunders Meadow Road, and it's a great place for astrophotography, regular photography, just hanging out. There's a lot of great spots to hang out along this path, and it's really short too, so I'm going to show you guys that real quickly.
Right around town, we were young like hope. Small town life, really all we known. Product of the mountains till the sun came home. Live inside the moments where the sun stayed low. Remember plotting in the parking lot, plotting just to spark a lot.
So while I'm here, I found this nice little spot. There's a little rock I can put my back on. I'm sitting on a rock right now. I have a rock for my feet. Like I said, there's a ton of spots for like sitting down, relaxing, picnicking. But while I'm in this little rest area, I'm gonna give you a bit of a rundown for how the rest of the day is gonna go on my first day at Idyllwild. I gotta check in at the campsite at 1 to 2. I'm gonna go set up the camp, obviously. Gonna get my fire going, if we're even allowed to have fires. I really hope we are, because I have no other way to cook food. And then hopefully by the end of the day, I'm not too tired, we can do like a little hike together, a sunset hike. One of the things I really want to do is like a sunset / night hike. There's this one trail I went on last time, the Summit Trail, and it's about a 3-mile hike there and back, like 3 miles total, and it goes up to the summit of a mountain in Idyllwild Park Campground. And it's a really great spot for astrophotography, photography in general. Like I said, it's really a great spot for everything. I really want to check it out, especially at night. I have my my GoPro set up with me because I don't want to record everything on a handheld camera at nighttime, because I want to have like my flashlight in one hand and one hand just available in case I need it for a knife for wildlife that are trying to kill me or something, just little things. So I'm gonna try to set up the GoPro and see how that works. I don't know exactly how good the quality is gonna be, but that's the plan for today. And then honestly, for the rest of the week I'm here, we'll have to just play it by ear and see how it goes. So I'm gonna enjoy this view for a little bit more. The next time you're gonna see me is when we are checking into the campground. So I'll see you then, guys. What's going on, guys? It's Zach again. My face looks really white for some reason. It's so weird. Anyways, I just want to let you guys know. I just got to the campsite. I checked in. You can see right here. Here is the site. Now it looks too dark. So here's the site. I got my car, parking spot right there. Little picnic area. There's a campfire right there. The tent pad is right there. It's like a little flat area I can use to pitch a tent. So I'm gonna go ahead and get that set up. So now that you've seen the before, next you'll see the after. Hey guys, just wanted to give you a quick update. I just put together the tent, and if you see, this side right here looks pretty cool. It's all connected properly. It still needs to be stretched, but this side is looking pretty good. It went in properly. This side went in, looks good. It's all the way up. And then we come down to this side. So what happened was, one of these little metal things, I'll zoom in on this one, one of these guys somehow went missing when between the time we went camping last time and now. So I had to improvise by making a little duct tape sleeve for it so it wouldn't come undone from the place where the stake goes. So I'm gonna keep going right now. This is what I've got set up, but you know, it doesn't look that bad. It's not that noticeable. It might be a little annoying because if you look inside, on this side, it looks like there's a little less room, but you know, we figure it out, guys. Here's another quick update for you because we ran into another bit of an issue. So, as you can see here, I found the piece. It was with the stakes, which I didn't expect it to be. So right now, I've been trying to get this duct tape off for about 10 minutes now with my knife and my scissors, because here's the duct tape, the little improv thing I made. I'm trying to soak it because hopefully that'll allow me to get it off easier, but I've been struggling pretty large with that. But I also got a nice little flag going. Originally I wanted to try to stake it in the tree, but I started and then I realized, hey, no, this is a bad idea. It's easier to just duct tape it, it's better for the tree, and then I'll have to soak this. So yeah, off to a pretty good start. I mean, honestly, it's not that bad. It's just a couple of small issues I gotta take care of, and then I'll be able to relax, enjoy my campfire. I got a bit of wood right here, and maybe go on a hike. Started out in my car, obviously. I got a little text right here that has my handles on it for anybody that sees. Got the table. Well, first you got a trash bag here for storing trash, obviously. This is kind of my my lunch table with some water, some lighter starter stuff for fires, water bottles I've been drinking. Yes, I opened 3. I know. I don't know why. Some crackers, tape, salt, some writing stuff and batteries, plates, the bag for the tent, a hatchet. We got a nice little campfire set up here, in my opinion. We got a pretty fair amount of firewood, got some lighter fluid in case I need it. We got a nice fire pit. These rocks, actually, I don't know if you can see these rocks right here. I don't know why I'm so white, but you can see these rocks right here. I set these up a couple months ago when I came here with my friend, and nobody's touched them since, so I think that's kind of cool. So we got our chairs. Well, I got 2 chairs because I might want to change my location. My favorite part, the flag setup, I just duct taped that to the tree because that works best. Then we got coolers. Inside of this cooler, I'll show you real quickly. Some things I'm cooking are frozen, like donuts are melted, marshmallows, I know that's really crappy. With the cooler, but below that, I've got hot dogs, stuff like that. So, then we proceed into the tent. So, inside the tent, I'm gonna actually step foot in it because I want to take my shoes off, but I got some fruit snacks, a little bed setup, my sleeping bag I haven't opened yet, pillows, mattress, I have water pillows, my camera bags are all moving when I leave, my hat and my meds are on the buckets, got my clothes, I got some shoes in here, actually, funny story, I don't know how you can see those, hang on. These aren't the same kind of shoe, I bought 2 different kinds of shoes, and then my boots. So, I'll then zip this back up. Hey, what is going on, guys? It's Zach again. First of all, wait, let me focus. You're probably wondering why I'm wearing a glove. Well, I had a little bit of an incident a minute ago. I forgot to get the camera. I was kind of focused on my well-being, but when I was unlocking my car door, I didn't realize there was a bee stinger somewhere on there, and it went pretty deep in my palm, and it hurt a bit for like 2 minutes, and then I realized, oh, I have a first aid kit. I should probably get this, so I grabbed a set of tweezers and a bandage, and I cleaned it up. Everything's good. It's just a little swollen and discolored right now, but I'm sure it'll be fine in a minute. Anyways, right now, I have a little fire I forgot to record as well. I'm not used to recording videos again. Get up and close and show you guys if I can. It's starting to die. I gotta put some fuel on it.
Someone got a case or 2 and someone got the handlebar. Someone had a house to go or someone had a camping spot. We would set up shop around the fire pit below the rock. Someone brought a table, someone brought the cups. Someone had the truck with the speakers that could bump. Some of us got lucky and some of us got drunk, but all of us were lucky, we just didn't know enough. We didn't know. We look back at days like this. We didn't know the beauty in it that exists. We didn't know. No, we didn't know how real life gets. We didn't know. We look back at days like this. We didn't know the beauty in it that exists. We didn't know. No, we didn't know how real life is.
What's going on, guys? For anybody that is weirdly inspired by my YouTube videos and is going to do something similar, just wanted to go over the recipe for these green beans I'm going to do. It's not exactly perfect, but nothing is. But what I'm going to do is a little bit, about half a teaspoon of salt, maybe a little bit more. I'm doing a little bit of salt. Put it up to the camera so you guys can see. Oh, I just poured some out. It's good enough. I'm going to put that in the green beans, which are already starting to finish. Garlic. I'm I'm gonna do about the same as the salt, about a half a teaspoon of garlic. I'm gonna put this in the green beans. Don't burn yourself. That's not fun. And I didn't have this luxury last time I was here camping. Quote unquote luxury. And then I'm gonna do a real small amount, like about a quarter teaspoon of pepper. I'm gonna take those, put them in the green beans, and then I'm gonna I really wish I had some kind of butter, but I forgot to get butter at the store, so I'll have to get some in town tomorrow. But I'm gonna stir around the green beans now.
She was sitting shotgun, safety off a ride or die. Talking cheap inside the city where they let their money fly. Word get around quicker than the liquor on a Friday night. Parents heard about it, for you cut the gas to try to glide. Nights on the run, days on the slopes. A reality shared by all of those I hold close. Trying to get nostalgic while I'm cruising down the coast. Hard to do it in a place that's so far from home. I know home where the heart is. The place that told me we are the artists, even though home made it the hardest. Setting goals on an ever-moving target. Journey to the top of the mountain peak to see if outside the valley there was more for me. Funny back then I couldn't wait to leave, but it's ingrained in my soul like a tread on sneaks.
What is going on, guys? My name is Zach, or Boy with a Camera, back for the good night of the video. I've had a pretty good day so far. Made some food, did a tiny bit of hiking, cleaned up a little bit of trash around a lake that I didn't draw on camera, started a fire, solved most of the problems I had, and had a good day in nature. I love that. So this is going to be the sign-off for the first video of the series. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to leave a like and comment down below what you think is going to happen in the next videos. I don't know what's going to happen in the next videos. I guess we'll find out. Right now I'm going to go ahead and write for a little bit, enjoy the rest of the fire until it dies out. And once it dies out, I'm going to head to bed. It's about 9:10 right now, 9:10 p.m. And I'm pretty tired, which is weird because usually I sleep at like 2, 3 in the morning. So, yeah, once again, thank you guys so much for watching. I apologize for the bad lighting. It's like so bright in my face right now. But, yeah, talk to you later.
We didn't know, we look back at days like this. We didn't know the beauty in it that exists. We didn't know, no we didn't know how real life gets. We didn't know, we look back at days like this. We didn't know the beauty in it that exists. We didn't know, no we didn't know.